Brunkills, Carmen. Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Manitoba at 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 1st, 2012. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for rural municipality of MacDonald, including Brunkills, Starbucks, and LaSalle, and rural municipality of Morris, including Rosenort and Aubigny. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for rural municipality of Gray, including St. Claude, Elm Creek, and Fannisdale, and rural municipality of Dufferin, including Carmen, Rose Isle, and Homewood. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for rural municipality of Broken Head, including Beausejour, and Garson. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for the city of Winnipeg, rural municipality of Richot, including St. Adolphe and Saint Agathe, rural municipality of Taché, including Lorette, St. Genevieve, and Landmark, rural municipality of St. Andrews, including Selkirk, Lockport, and Clandeboye, rural municipality of West St. Paul, including Middlechurch and Riverside, rural municipality of St. Clements, including Lebo, rural municipality of Springfield, including Oakbank, Anola, and Birds Hill Provincial Park, rural municipality of East St. Paul, including Birds Hill, and rural municipality of Headingley. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for rural municipality of Woodlands, including Warren and Lake Francis, rural municipality of Rockwood, including Stonewall and Stony Mountain, rural municipality of Rosser, including Rosser and Meadows, rural municipality of St. Francois Xavier, including St. Francois Xavier, and rural municipality of Cartier, including Ely, St. Eustache, and Springsteen. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for rural municipality of St. Clements, including Grand Beach and Broken Head. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for the following regions: City of Winnipeg, Selkirk, Gimli, Stonewall, Woodlands, Ericsdale, Dugald, Beausejour, Grand Beach, and Portage-la Prairie, Headingley, Brunkills, Carmen.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud du Manitoba à 19h56, heure avancée du centre, le mercredi 1 août 2012. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour la ville de Winnipeg, la municipalité rurale de Richot, incluant Saint-Adolphe, et Saint-Agathe, la municipalité rurale de Taché, incluant Lorette, Sainte-Geneviève, et Landmark, la municipalité rurale de St. Andrews, incluant Selkirk, Lockport, et Clandeboye, la municipalité rurale de West St. Paul, incluant Middlechurch, et Riverside, la municipalité rurale de Saint-Clément, incluant Lebo, la municipalité rurale de Broken Head, incluant Beauséjour, et Garson, la municipalité rurale de Springfield, incluant Oakbank, Anola, et Birds Hill Provincial Park, la municipalité rurale de East St. Paul, incluant Birds Hill, et la municipalité rurale de Headingley. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour la municipalité rurale de Saint-Clément, incluant Grand Beach et Broken Head. Une alerte d'orage violent est maintenue pour la municipalité rurale de MacDonald, incluant Brunkills, Starbuck et La Salle, et la municipalité rurale de Morris, incluant Rosenhart et Aubigny. Une alerte d'orage violent est annulée pour la municipalité rurale de Gray, incluant Saint-Claude, Elm Creek et Bannistel, et la municipalité rurale de Dufferin, incluant Carmen, Rose Isle et Homewood. Une veille d'orage violent est maintenue pour la ville de Winnipeg, Selkirk, Gimli, Stonewall, Woodlands, Herricksdale, Dugald, Beauséjour, Grand Beach et Portage la Prairie, Headingley, Brunkill, Carmen,